We are room 809, the Embassy Suites in Montreal.
Hello. Look at this giant closet with a hallway where we stashed our bags before we, get everywhere. Bathroom, and what a nice bathroom it is. Jacuzzi tub if one would like.
Very nice.
Sink area. Nice walk-in shower, plenty of room. And a separate mirror area to do makeup, which is very nice.
Telephone.
Yeah, like who uses that kind of phone anymore? And then you can go to the bedroom this way. Another closet. Hanging and shelving. Another one on this side. Let's see if there's a safe over on this side. Nope, that's a solid wall.
Okay.
So I haven't seen a safe. Keep looking.
Well, this is what happens when you don't preview and just start going.
Yeah,
but
we're finding it as we go.
There's plugs here and a clock. Plugs on the other side. And
View of the old fire headquarters.
Old fire headquarters. There's a rooftop garden over there. Television in this room.
Big king bed. And this room will
And
close off if we wanted it to.
I think it was listed as a queen bed, but it looks like a king to me.
Sure does. And
Desk area.
yeah, seating area. Fireplace.
A fireplace, yes.
Wow.
Another television.
Very nice.
And this being Embassy Suites, there's a kitchenette area. People stay longer.
And it's got a dishwasher. Let's see. If you want housekeeping, they'll provide you with utensils and plates and all that sort of stuff.
Nice.
Microwave, full stove,
Fridge, if you need
full
it.
refrigerator. Can we look out here and see if there's a safe tucked in here? Oh, yeah, there's a safe back down here.
Okay, back in the back there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good size. Good size. I think this will do for a couple nights. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is Thursday, October 16th.
16th. We lost track of time already.
Yeah. We have been here at the Embassy Suites for a couple of nights and are leaving this morning for the port of Montreal to get on board our ship. Just thought we'd let you know that it has been a delightful stay. It's well located to tour around Old Town.
Yeah, that's why we picked it. We didn't say that in our room tour video, but we picked it for the location, and we get Hilton points.
Not too far from the port, but you're going to want a cab. There's a lot of ups and downs and roads under construction, at least right now. So we'll get that in a bit, cab, lift, something.
Well, yeah, we took Uber because it was very easy from the airport. There's a dedicated Uber pickup right there, and they make it very easy. I looked at Lyft, and you had to go a little bit farther away. So kind of prioritize Uber. Or taxis are available. I think we spend a little less using an Uber. So.
I think so. Also, not only here at the Embassy Suites has the staff been phenomenal.
Excellent.
The included happy hour and breakfast that are kind of a hallmark of an Embassy Suites stay have been some of the best we've had at an Embassy Suites.
Yeah, Embassy, you get what they call an evening reception. They give you vouchers for drinks or limited drink menu, but it looked like everybody was getting what they liked.
Yeah, beer, lots of beers available, wine, what they call simple mixed drinks. But yeah, everybody was having a good time. The snack selection was great, and it was kept filled, which is not always the case.
We've stayed at a couple of embassies, and this one is by far better.
Yep.
Well, one was good, but the evening reception at the one that had a good breakfast, the evening reception wasn't very good. But both the reception and the breakfast are excellent
Yep.
here.
So if you're going to be sailing out of the port of Montreal, it's a good one to take a look at. I wanted to say one more thing. In Embassy Suites, if you don't know, your included breakfast is you may have a cook-to-order breakfast if you want. Yesterday, Deb had an omelet made to order, and I had just some eggs, and then today we had pancakes, but then they had breakfast meats available and potatoes and then cereals, yogurts, pastries, a big selection. You had a nice pastry yesterday. So anyway, we're heading out shortly. Stay tuned and see what we get up to on our Montreal to Boston cruise.
See ya.